Hi, I'm Dr. Seshadri. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will explain you how to improve your digestion using yoga practices. Kapalabhati Pranayama will increase your digestion capability. When Kapalabhati Pranayama practiced with Vajrasana and Pushana Mudra, it will enhance the effect and benefits and improve your digestion a lot. Pranayama is the practice of breath regulation. It's a main component of yoga, an exercise for physical and mental wellness. While there are dozens of different pranayama exercises and techniques you might choose from, it pays to understand how each breath will impact your body's energy and the state of mind. The abdominal pressure created during exhalation in Kapalabhati Pranayama improves the efficiency of beta cells of the pancreas. Therefore, insulin secretion is facilitated. The abdominal pressure created during exhalation in Kapalabhati does the magic. Asana in Sanskrit term means pose. Asana can also be translated as steady or comfortable seat. By improving blood circulation to the digestive system, Vajrasana practically eliminates disorders like constipation and indigestion. Next, mudras. In yoga, mudras are hand gestures and in conjunction with pranayama. Mudras should be practiced in conjunction with pranayama and asanas. Mudras help to link the brain to the body, soothe pain, stimulate endorphins, change the mood, and increase our vitality. Mudras act to stimulate different parts of the body involved with breathing and to affect the flow of energy in the body and even one's mood. The specific hand gestures and positions act as locks to guide energy flow and reflexes to the brain. So, in order to improve the digestion, so you have to do Kapalabhati Pranayama with Vajrasana and Pushana Mudra. First, I will explain you how to make Pushana Mudra. So, for the Pushana Mudra, touch the right hand's index finger and middle finger tips to the tip of the thumb finger and keep the other two fingers straight. For the left hand, touch the middle finger and the ring finger tips to the thumb and keep the other two fingers straight. Now keep the both hands straight when please be seated in Vajrasana. So if you want to know the steps to follow to make Vajrasana, you can see my videos. Now after sitting for a while, take a deep breath. Now sit and relax for 1 minute and then when you are ready, exhale with the stroke of your stomach. So exhale powerfully with the stroke of the stomach and automatically you will inhale. And this process of exhales you have to do 50 to 70 times. And do as many as you can do when you are comfortable. So gradually increase the number of exhales. So if you want to know the complete steps to follow to do Kapalabhati Pranayama, I dedicated one video in my channel for Kapalabhati Pranayama, so you can refer that. So do Kapalabhati Pranayama for at least 5 minutes. So doing Kapalabhati Pranayama along with Vajrasana and Pushana Mudra will improve your digestion. And you have to practice pranayama at least for 20 to 40 days to get the results. And remember that Kapalabhati Pranayama should be practiced with empty stomach. And to improve the digestion, you can sit on Vajrasana with Pushana Mudra after your lunch and dinner, or whatever the time you want to improve the digestion. So sit in Vajrasana and Pushana Mudra at least for 5 minutes after lunch and dinner to improve your digestion. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to log into happyweightloss.com for more interesting videos and material. Thank you very much.